The Sanitaire Restore SC6100A carpet extractor uses a dedicated brush motor and a separate suction motor to pull embedded soil out of commercial carpet effectively. Its rotating brush digs into the pile to loosen stubborn debris, while the full-width suction path helps lift out moisture for noticeably cleaner and drier floors. Being able to scrub and extract in both forward and backward passes makes larger areas faster to finish, which is valuable for offices, hallways, and rental properties. Generous, removable solution and recovery tanks mean you can cover a lot of ground before stopping, and they are straightforward to carry to a sink for refilling and emptying. The long cleaning hose and compact hand tool make it practical for stairs, upholstery, and tight corners that upright machines usually miss. Despite its sturdy commercial build, the folding handle and manageable weight make it easier to move between jobs and store in smaller janitorial closets.